Hey, good morning, September 9th, 2020. Or no, September 10th, 2020. Hey, today I'm going to do something a little bit different. It's always been kind of a tradition of mine to watch this video around September 11th. Today is only September 10th, but we don't have school on September 11th. So I'm going to share this video with you guys today. Some of you have seen it because, like I say, it's a tradition for me to kind of show it. It's a video that inspires me and that I really like. So um, it has to do with September 11th. I know you kids weren't even born then, but to give you guys an idea, I was a senior in high school, and September 11th had a huge impact on me. Just like you guys will always remember the year that of COVID-19. You'll always remember, you'll probably remember 2020, the year 2020, because it's been a crazy year. Anyway, September 11th, 2001 was kind of a huge day in my own life and something that I will never forget. Um, so this video is about this young man named Wells Crowther, and I have it posted to our Canvas page. I want you to watch the video. Okay, as you watch the video, I want you to be thinking about these things. I want you to, at the end, be able to write your thoughts and what you learned by watching the video about Wells Crowther. Okay. Then the second point, in what ways did Wells have a growth mindset? Okay. Then the third point, in what ways can you be like Wells Crowther? Okay. So go ahead, guys, and I want you to watch this video. Then I want you to write a paragraph for each of these. Uh, I'm going to go ahead and push save so that we have that. Okay, so once again, go in, watch the video. It's a super cool video. I know it. Whoops. Let's see. Okay, so you're gonna go right here, red bandana. That is the video. Okay, it's about 23 minutes long. I know it's a kind of a football video, but it's Boston College who did this about this young man. So go ahead, guys, watch it. There's a lot to it. Okay, there's a lot of amazing points to it. So I want you to watch, be inspired like I've been inspired, and then fill out the discussion. If you have some extra time, at the end, go ahead and log on to the student application and the Read 180 website and just do the student application today, okay? Have an amazing weekend other than that. Thanks, guys.